Hello there once again. This is Dreambox Global-Tech introducing a new software. This software is called IPPIS Payslip Data Extractor. This is a very powerful tool, and what it does is also very powerful. What it does is it extracts individual data and pushes it into an Excel sheet as a single row. Alright, so all the data in your master Excel file is going to be extracted from the person's name to employment details, location, account details, pension details, financial details. All those data will be pulled out and then spread into a row in your Excel sheet. And so it's gonna do so for every staff, and then there's gonna be an Excel file at the end of the day. Alright, so let's just go into it. Let's see what it does. Let's see how it works. Alright, firstly, don't be fooled at how innocent it looks. Okay, it does way beyond how it looks. Alright, so very simple. Just pick the Excel file. I have two demo files here, August and June. I'm going to be working with the June file. Okay. Alright, the destination folder where I want the Excel file to be saved when it is done. When the extraction has been done, I will just choose the same demo folder. Okay, I'll say select folder, and I'm going to ask it to process. Alright, it's going to take a moment to just validate the software, and then it will start processing. Okay, now it has started processing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the software. I'm going to pause the video rather. I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to resume back when it's almost done. Alright, but just in case you are interested in this software, please feel free to contact us at 080-369-28735 or dreamboxglobaltech.com, or rather dreamboxtech.com. Sorry about that, dreamboxtech.com. Alright, now why would you want to have this kind of software? Why would you want all your staff data in an Excel sheet and not in the PDF file you've always had it? Okay, now this is very important. Number one, if you want to build a robust database for your organization, it is extremely important. And we know database data is always changing. Okay, staff data is always changing, staff strength is always changing. Some staff resign, some new staff come, so it is software you need. Sometimes whenever you want to update or get the latest update of what your staff is getting from IPPIS. Okay, with this analysis, it's very easy for you to do an analysis with your Excel document. Okay, and of course, also say you want to sort by grade. Okay, which are the staff on which grade. You want to know all the female staff, you want to know all the senior staff, and everything is going to be sorted. Everything is going to be in the sheet in the Excel file. Okay, and also you want to know people on particular designation, department, and all. And if you also want to do financial analysis, okay, pension, you want to know their pension detail for a particular staff or for a particular set of staff, it is to be very easy to do that. After extracting all this information, very excellent, very easy for you to do that. Okay, you also probably want to carry out financial analysis. You want to compare what came in from IPPIS in January and with that came in February, and see which staff are receiving what allowances. All the allowances will be tabulated on each row, and then you can extract based on that allowance all the staff that are under that allowance. Very easy for you. Okay, once everything has been moved to Excel. Okay, you can also carry out financial analysis, general financial analysis, quarterly, monthly, as you wish. Alright, once all the data have been pushed to Excel, you could carry out annual analysis. It's going to be very easy for you. Alright, you can also carry out data analysis, general data analysis, to compare, to extract information and make projections and predictions. You'll be able to see which staff are on which loans, what kind of loans are they taking, okay? And as a matter of fact, if it's just one staff is on a particular loan, it's going to put a column for that staff, and just that staff is going to be there. And then you could easily trace wherever in case they come to complain of any problem. So sorry, you're actually on this type of loan. You can see all their deductions. You can do the deductions, all the deductions from for a particular staff, all the net gross earnings and deductions, and all that. Okay, the possibilities are limitless. Okay, once all your data has been pushed to Excel. And as a matter of fact, we at Dreambox Global-Tech we do data analysis for the organization. Now this software at this moment, what it does is just extract and push it to Excel. However, if you want the software to be modified to do whatever you want, if you want the software to be modified to carry out things that are specific for your organization, we are able to do that. We are open to do that, and we can adjust and make modifications to suit your need. Okay, and once again, if you are interested, the number to call is 080 369 28735, or you can send an email to info@dreamboxtech.com, info@dreamboxtech.com. all right. Let me also use this moment now. Okay, let me use this moment to introduce us to another software that is currently on sale now. The demand is quite high now. I'll put the link to the software in this video. The software is Payslip Sorter and Mailer. What it does is that it sorts your payslip file. It sorts your payslip file into individual payslip document, and then attaches it to a mail that is sent to each staff of your organization. So each of your staff would receive their payslip via email. Very easy, very powerful software, also with a lot of features that makes usage excellent and convenient for you. All right, you could see that it's taking some time to process. That's because the duration of processing it's actually dependent on two things, basically the speed of your computer, and secondly the number of staff, number of pages that the payslip has to process. Okay, so I think this particular payslip has over 1,600 pages, and so it's almost done. All right, so I'm going to pause the video now, and I'm going to resume it back when it's almost done. Alright, so as we can see, it's done. It has a lot of temporary files. Okay, so it's just going to put everything together now into our final document. Okay, so that final document is what I'm going to open for us to see. However, I'm going to pause the video again, and I'm going to I would have to delete the first few rows, some important information in the first few rows. Okay, as you can see, it's ready here. All right, I'll have to delete staff name, their IPPIS number, any information, their account numbers, and all that is confidential. I'll have to remove them, or that could identify a particular any staff or any individual rather. I would delete everything. Alright, just to show us that it works. So I'm going to stop the video now and resume it back once I've edited the file. Alright, so like I said, this is the final outcome of the extraction. Alright, so I have deleted all the names of the first few columns, the first few rows. Alright, the IPPIS number also I've deleted, so even the gender changed some of the gender, and so these are all the data extracted. Even the bank, branch, account number, all these fields were actually populated. the pension details, tax details, but almost everything you have on your Excel PDF file, the IPPS, the payslip file rather, IPPS payslip file are actually extracted. Okay, all forms of loans, all forms of deductions, all forms of allowances. All right, or whatever you think you can think of, as long as it exists on your payslip file. All right, so of course this may look many, but if you are into financial analysis and and data analysis, of course this, this is not even much. Okay, all right, so but with the help of powerful tools, that's what we do. We do data analysis at Dreambox Global-Tech. We do data analysis with the help of powerful tools and programming. We can modify the software to do everything you want. So I would want to stop it here. If you're interested, once again, 00369287 35 or info@dreamboxtech.com. I'm going to drop the link here to the payslip sorter and mailer software. If you're interested, also contact us. Thank you for your time.